Welcome to our video, possibly the only 997 Liberty Walk ever made. Just a true sight to enjoy. Active suspension, goes up and down, so you can drive it on the road. It's got the option of having a race seat on the driver's side, or possibly a more comfortable Recaro upon request. Headers, titanium exhaust, Liberty Walk emblems all around. The exhaust is valved. You can adjust the sound of the exhaust by clicking a button. Then you have a louder sound. Pop out steering wheel for easy in and out access. Great sound system from Sony. This is the exhaust in the non-valved position, and the exhaust in the regular position. AC is ice cold, has a half cage bolted on. It drives amazing. It corners spectacularly. The door panels and the interior are in very good shape. It's just a lot of fun to drive and a great car to own, not only to mention how rare it is. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can call 305-443-7626. My name is Bernard, or you can follow us on Instagram at RMC Miami, or our website rmcmiami.com. I hope you like this video, and more pictures are in the gallery, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.